What's up, Chrissy Crew? It's your girl Chrissy and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig that was sent to me by Asteria here, I believe. It is so bomb. I have a trip to Mexico tomorrow, so I installed this wig pretty quickly and I did a quick tutorial for you guys. Overall, the hair is perfect. Like, I love it. It's very soft. The lace was the best. I basically went in, it came black, but I went in and gave it a bleach bath because I didn't want to do black again because I just did black deep wave. It's not that bright, but you know, it's brown in real life. So what came in the bag was the wig, an elastic band, a scarf, and some eyelashes and a wig cap. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm starting off by doing my ball cap method. Nothing too special. I just used Got To Be and I put the Ghost Bond glue on the sides. Alright, y'all, so I got a shirt on and we're gonna slap this right on. I'm gonna slap this right on right now. Right now. A trick that I do is, you know, the little things that comes in the back of the wig. I put them together so I could easily put the wig on. And I put foundation. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show y'all what I'm talking about. So I fold the lace back and just pop it on. Bam. So now I'm gonna go in with the glue and I'm gonna do the middle and then I'm gonna do the sides because I like to do it in parts. I don't think that I could manage to do the whole thing all at once. I feel like it would just be a messy situation for me.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Alright, so now that I finished gluing it down, I know y'all could see this little white cast. Well, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's the glue. But that's okay because once I put this Got To Be, you know, I've been seeing videos on TikTok about using this other types of sprays that work better than Got To Be, and I just haven't had the time to try it. But you know, for today we're gonna use Got To Be. Next time we're gonna try to use something else.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views.
Alright, now what I'm going to do is take some makeup and put it on top. Now it's time to cut. It's time to cut. I'm gonna take my scissors and go in first, just to make that little, feel me? And then I'm gonna take my razor. I'm gonna take another one and cut it. But I think I'm just gonna do a middle part for the sake of the video. But in my trip, I'm definitely gonna be doing multiple styles, so that's that. So what I'm going to do now is make sure that the part in the middle is dead in the middle, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and use my She Is Bomb wax stick and make sure that both sides are very flat. I'm gonna go through it with the wax stick and a brush, and then I'm gonna hot comb it, and after that I'll be separating the baby hairs.
Another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So I didn't get to get the footage for this baby hair look because my phone had died and I had no idea. When I went to go look, it was just a black screen. So if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on this baby hair look, I'll be gladly to do so, but I do apologize again for it not being in the video.
And wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see you holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Hey guys, so this is the ending result of the hair. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I'm such a perfectionist. The baby hair was giving me a hard time, child. All my social media will be down below, so you guys should follow me on that to keep up with me on my trip. I will be trying to vlog for you guys. I do not know, but for sure I will have content on Instagram and TikTok for you guys with that trip. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of these type of videos from me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
No one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.